Hello, this is Travis Booth with the National Weather Service in Missoula, and I'm here with your Thursday fire weather briefing for August 27th. Primary concerns now through next week include warm and breezy weather through Friday. It will become windy on Saturday. It will turn much cooler Sunday. Then there will be a return to mild and relatively dry conditions early next week. If we look at recent water vapor images beginning Wednesday afternoon continuing through this morning, we see a deep trough of low pressure off the Pacific Northwest coast. After a warm day today and Friday, this trough will move into the Pacific Northwest over the weekend, leading to windy conditions on Saturday. A cold front will pass through Saturday with much cooler temperatures behind the front on Sunday. Then once again back to mild conditions for early next week. Warm temperatures will continue today and Friday, with a return to rather breezy conditions on Friday afternoon. As an example, wind gusts for Friday afternoon are shown in the graphic, with gusts in the teens for the valleys, into the 20s for the mountains. It will also continue to be relatively dry, with minimum RH values for Friday shown, generally in the teens and 20s for most areas. Thermal belts will also limit recoveries both Friday and Saturday mornings. Also of interest, isolated dry thunderstorms with erratic winds are possible, especially across southwest Montana, both afternoons. A cold front passage on Saturday will lead to strong winds with gust potential shown. Valley gusts in the 20 to 30 mile per hour range are anticipated, with gusts over 40 miles per hour over the higher terrain. Although strong winds are expected across the area on Saturday, frontal passage is expected by early afternoon across far northwest Montana into sections of central Idaho, allowing minimum RH values to rebound. Frontal passage will be in the afternoon and evening across the rest of western Montana, which will lead to the potential for strong winds, low RH, and isolated dry thunderstorms, thus increasing the potential for critical fire weather conditions. With this in mind, a fire weather watch is in effect Saturday afternoon and evening in the area shown. If the frontal timing were to slow even a few hours, then the critical fire weather conditions may occur westward into central Idaho and far northwest Montana. Scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms will also be possible throughout the day Saturday, with the best timing with the frontal passage and just behind, and the best chance of wetting rain over far northwest Montana. Much cooler temperatures, about 15 degrees cooler compared to Saturday, will occur on Sunday, with additional showers anticipated, with the best chance of wetting rain once again across far northwest Montana. Breezy winds will also continue. The animated loop features model forecasted RH in the low to mid-levels and some mid-level winds. The main takeaway from this is that early next week, we're generally expecting seasonable temperatures, breezy afternoon winds, and fairly dry conditions with just the occasional shower chances. There is decent model agreement regarding the 8 to 14 day period, with the overall pattern supporting an increased likelihood for below normal temperatures. And looking at the precipitation, there's an increased likelihood for above normal precipitation across the area. Thank you for listening. The next briefing is scheduled for Sunday, August 30th. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us here at the Weather Service anytime. Thank you.